Today we're going to do a leveling kit on this F-150. Now, a leveling kit is different from a lift kit in that it lifts only the front of the vehicle rather than the entire vehicle. So you'll notice that most trucks today, almost all of them, come with a natural rake, and that's where the front end is lower than the rear end, and it's anywhere from 1 to 3 inches depending on the vehicle. So people will put a leveling kit on the front end of their vehicle to lift it up to give it a natural stance. Some other reasons you might do a leveling kit is to raise the front end, gives you a little bit more room in the wheel well so you can put on slightly larger wheels and tires without them rubbing. That's not in all cases, but in some cases it is. The third reason to do a leveling kit is it gives you that natural stance which raises your headlights up, and at nighttime it can give you some greater visibility, especially on a dark road, by letting your headlights go a little bit farther down the highway. So how much of a leveling kit do you need? Well, the way to tell the rake of your vehicle is to measure, and you measure from the bottom of the fender well to the center cap of the wheel in both the front and the back. The difference in that distance is the amount of rake you had and how much of a leveling kit you'll need. Before each install, the technician takes the vehicle for a test drive. Before beginning work, we will often scan the vehicle to make sure there are no codes being thrown prior to. The result is a level